detailed and simple. My name is Sak, and today I have something special for you guys. So I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording for some apparent reason, so I will do this whole unboxing again. But pretty much I will tell you guys what I got from the Rad Company during their Black Friday sale. And this one will be pretty quick. I didn't really get much because, again, the main highlight was this, and I did get some microfiber towels from Autofiber. But this one was pretty cool, and I will show you guys the steals that they had at the Rad Company. So let's go ahead and just get with it. So a pack of 25 of these all terry microfiber towels. They're 12 by 12. This is something that you guys could use in the shop. It costs about $15 for this, a pack of 25, which is actually super cool. It's not something that I'll probably use on the paint necessarily. Maybe I could use these as wheels and just, you know, clean off the wheels and use as my throwaways. But again, $15 for a pack of 25 is a steal, especially for something like this. So these may be my dedicated wheel towels. So yeah, so I did like this, and obviously for shop use. So put that there, put this to the side. And the second thing I got was the FTWs, a pack of 10. I forgot how much I paid for this, so don't quote me on it. But again, this was another great sale because these FTW towels tend to cost a lot, which they are premium made. I did have the orange ones before when they came out with the FTWs, which was the orange ones to pair up with Bead Maker. But the purple ones, they technically did that for Dream Maker. But I will be using this with either, you know, ceramic gloss or, you know, quick beads or any type of sealant. It could even be the Geon quick detailer that I like, or ceramic detailer that I like. And yeah, so I'll probably be using that, and obviously I guess with Dream Maker whenever it's needed. But this will be more of like applying my sealant or protection, my LSP, last standing protection, when I am applying this onto the paint. So yeah, so these are high quality, they're soft, and they have these silk edges, and these are super soft silk edges. So I can't wait to use this. So let's go ahead and move on to the next one and put this to the side. So the main highlight that I got from the Rad Company that they had on sale, which was ridiculous, was this Diamond Body 36. So I got 2 of these ceramic coatings right here. These were $43. If I remember correctly, it was like 43 bucks or 40 bucks or $46 for this whole kit. So let's open up the kit so I could show you guys. And normally they go for $80. I don't know how well this coating is. I don't know how well this ceramic coating is, but this I could definitely use as a introductory level type of ceramic coating. I may put this on a test hood that I have. I will probably polish it out with the DIY Detail Gold Standard polishing system. I will do, you know, correct that half of the hood. It's a test hood, and then apply this and see how long it would last. But yes, this may be used as my introductory one. So let's go ahead, and this is the kit. So this is the crazy part, right? So it's Iron Body 36. It's supposed to be a 3-year ceramic coating, and it comes with a small panel prep spray. So let me just open this up. Give you guys a quick little sneak peek if you guys haven't seen it. But it comes with this panel prep. Let me just open this panel prep up, see what it smells like compared to other panel preps on the market. And right, like it smells like alcohol, but mixed with another, I don't know, another surfactant in there. It's actually pretty strong. So a lot of panel preps, I like to spray it on the microfiber towel, then wipe it onto the paint anyways. But this is pretty strong. It has a very strong smell for a panel prep. But they give you this. Should be good enough for the whole car. I don't know. Maybe it's dilutable. Maybe I'll put a little bit more of, I guess, water or something. But yep, they give you this small panel prep. Then here is the ceramic coating in itself. Diamond Body, supposedly they use nano diamonds, and you know, it helps it's much more resistant to, you know, scratching, swirling, all that other stuff. I just want to know how long it lasts, and does it last really, and how good it is. So I'm not sure if you guys can hear. It's like a little diamonds. It has like little diamond pearls here on the bottom. You gotta shake it up. And yeah, so this is it. It's a small 30 ml bottle. And yeah, so that's where it comes up in this one, the two main things. And the last things are their PPE. It comes with packed 2 pairs of gloves, one large, one extra large. I have Whopper Junior hands, so these gloves are no use for me. Next comes the microfiber applicator, which this feels high quality, nice stitch. There's no pointy edges. So this applicator is really good. And then one buffing towel to level off the coating after you apply the ceramic coating. So yeah, and this is a nice premium towel. It feels soft, and I will use 2. So one to level it off, and the second one to do as the final wipe. So I will pair this with the Rad Company's Pearl coating towel. And yeah, so this is what just comes in the box. It's in a nice little kit, very presentable. Now the only thing is the ease of use, and when I use it on the vehicle. Unfortunately, coatings does slow down for me in New York during the winter time, which is okay. It's fine, it's normal for a detailing business to slow down. So this is where I focus more on my SEO and stuff like that. The most that I get in the winter time is more of interior detailing, so you guys will probably see more interior detailing videos. A lot of people in my area like to get their car ceramic coated springtime, because they're like, it's winter time, I don't want to coat my car in the winter, even though I tell them that's the best time to put a ceramic coating to protect the paint. But again, it is what it is. I can only give advice. I'm not, twisting their arm to get a ceramic coating, but they tend to come back for their coatings during the springtime. So yes, if you guys don't see a lot of ceramic coating videos, because I really do want to use the DIY detail ceramic coating. So I do have a vehicle pretty much prepped for that. So it'll be on a nice Mercedes E. I forgot, it's a coupe. So it's a black one. It's not going to be paint corrected, but I am waiting just for the polish to come out. So that way I can do a one-step polish and then coat the vehicle with their ceramic coating. But yes, but this is what I got, and then I will probably use this as an introductory level coating, during the springtime. So yeah, so hopefully you guys like this type of content. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.